So this is Twinkly Square, the starter kit. It was sent to me by Razer and Twinkly during TwitchCon 2022. Let's just get this open. And this is pretty much manual and the card. You can pause and read if you wanna. Some stickers that came with it. These are the clips that will be needed to attach the squares to one another. A lot of them are present and pretty much everything will be used. Those are the power cables. This is the power adapter. This gets plugged in depending on the pin, the cable. The power adapter brick. You can pause if you wanna check how much power it needs, and that's it. Let's get the squares out. Around 100 grams or a bit more each. Wonder if there is anything else. Looks like nothing. Let's put it back in. As you can see, Twinkly 5 plus 1, total of 6, 3 and 3, 6, all good. I'll skip the pairing part, but this is how it looks after you have added the GIF. Pretty cool stuff. Thank you for watching. Have fun.